We can use a scientific technique called radiometric dating to work out the age of the oldest rocks on Earth. This is the same technology used to make nuclear bombs. All rocks started off as molten lava in the early Earth, and when this lava cooled, it trapped or froze fixed proportions or concentrations of many isotopes of different elements, for example, uranium. If we were to look at any rock using the most powerful scanning electron microscope, we would see a mixture of many different atoms, including isotopes of uranium and lead. Some rocks contain zircon crystals which contain atoms of uranium and lead. Radioactive uranium decays or changes to lead over millions of years at a fixed, known rate. Every 704 million years, half of the uranium-238 changes to lead-207. So using very simple arithmetic, we can work backwards to determine the age of any rock from when it was molten. During crystallization, zircon strongly rejects lead atoms, and zircon crystals are very chemically inert, so we can assume all the lead atoms in a sample are the result of uranium decay, which enables us to accurately establish their age.